Today we want to show you another church transformation our team recently completed for Gospel Pillars Church. This project was actually over a year in the making. While the church was moving into a new building and going through construction, the pastor had one big goal in mind: upgrading from traditional projectors to a modern LED video wall. And now, it finally became reality. We installed a 17 by 8 foot LED video wall with a 2.5 millimeter pixel pitch, giving the church a much brighter, sharper, and more modern visual experience for worship, announcements, and live streaming. One thing that really helped this installation go smoothly was the preparation work done by the church team beforehand. Since the drywall and wall structure were already properly prepared in advance, our crew was able to complete the installation in less than 2 days. Our team made sure every cabinet was perfectly leveled, aligned properly, and installed without visible gaps between modules, because that's what creates a clean and seamless final look. And honestly, the final result looks amazing. The screen completely transformed the space and gives the church a much more engaging and professional atmosphere. And don't forget to follow us to see more LED screen installations and church transformation projects across Canada.